Hello, my name is Helen Kaufman Moore, and today I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Google Classroom. First, choose the Google Classroom where you would like the video to go. Once there, choose Classwork. Within the classwork, go to the Create button. Under the Create button, you could choose to add an assignment, a quiz assignment, a question, material, or to reuse a post. Today, I'm going to choose to put my video under the Material section. Once you're in the Materials section, you can go ahead to the YouTube link where you can choose the video you would like to add. Once there, you can search for the video you would like to add. Today, I'm going to add a video on customary measurement conversions. Once you find that, you can choose the video that you'd like to add to your Google Classroom page and click Add. Now the video is at the bottom of your Google Classroom page. Once you have that done, you can title the material that you've added. And you can also add a description of what the video will be showing your students. Finally, you can choose to give your material a topic. Today, I'm going to go ahead and put it under a topic I've already created called conversions. Finally, once everything is done, you can go to the post button where you could choose to post your material right now to your students. You can schedule when to post your material, or you could save this as a draft if you're not quite ready to post it. I'm going to go ahead and to post my material right away. And there you have it. You have created a video within your Google Classroom for your students to watch. Hope this was helpful.